fourth graders, the title of our new lesson is Fractions. Hello fourth graders, the title of our new lesson is Fractions, Unit Fraction. Objectives. The students should be able to write the fractions correctly. The definition of a fraction. What is a fraction? A fraction is something that shows parts of whole. Here we have 1 over 2 or 1 out of 2. It is the same as if we divide 1 by 2. 1 is the numerator of the fraction and 2 is the denominator. We write 1 over 2 and we read 1 half. The green line that separates the numerator and the denominator is the fraction line. It is the division line. So 1 divided by 2, 1 over 2, or 1 out of 2. Let's apply these examples in order to clear the idea. Example 1. This is a pizza piece that is done by your mother at home and divided into 6 equal parts. It must be divided into equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the total number of pizza pieces are 6. The mother divided the pizza pieces into 6. If I use 1 piece of a pizza, so the number of eaten pieces equal 1. What is the fraction that represents the eaten pieces by Ali? A fraction that represents the eaten pieces of a pizza is the number of eaten pieces over the total number of pizza pieces. It means the number of eaten pieces must be the numerator and the total number of pieces must be the denominator of the fraction. The numerator must be up and the denominator must be down, below the numerator. They are separated by the fraction line. 1 over 6 or 1 out of 6 or 1/6 is the fraction that represents the eaten parts of this whole pizza. The number of eaten pizza represents the numerator, it must be 1, and the whole number of pieces represents the denominator, that must be 6, and we can read it 1/6. Example number 2. The total number of pizza pieces are 6. Now, Ali is still hungry and he will take another piece. So, if Ali eats 2 pieces of a pizza, he in addition to the previous one, Honey will choose another one. He thinks to take the largest piece, but as you know, all the pieces are equal in size. So he will choose any piece. Now Ali will eat the second piece of pizza. So the number of eaten pieces equal 2. What is the fraction that represents the eaten pieces of this whole pizza? The fraction that represents the eaten pieces of pizza is 2 over 6. 2 represents the numerator or the upper part of the fraction or the number of eaten pieces, and 6 is the denominator or the lower part of the fraction, and it is the total number of pizza pieces. So the fraction will be 2 over 6 or 2 out of 6 or 2 sixths. 2 sixths.
Now, let's move to read fractions. Okay, the first fraction is 1 over 1. 1 over 1, it means the whole one. It is equal to 1 whole. 1 over 2, as you see, show the half of the whole. It means 1 over 2 is 1 half. 1 over 3. The shaded part is 1 from 3. The green part represents 1 out of 3. We name it 1/3. 1/3. Let's move to the fourth fraction. The colored part is 1 from 4. Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. The colored part is 1 out of 4. We name it 1/4. Let's move to the fifth fraction. We have 5 parts and we have 1 color part. So the fraction is 1/5. 1/5. Now, if we divide a whole into 6 parts and we shaded 1 part, the fraction will be 1 over 6 or 1/6. The whole is divided into 7 parts. We color 1 from them, so the fraction will be 1 over 7 or 1/7. Let's move to 1 over 8. It means 1/8. We add th at the end of the number, so it is 1/8. If we divide a whole into 9 parts, and one of these parts is shaded, so the fraction will be 1 over 9 or 1/9, 1 over 10, 1/10, 1 over 11, 1/11, 1 over 12, 1/12, 1/12. Okay? Now let's move to the book